Do you require a loan and are having credit difficulties? You're not by yourself. There are so many people out there who are facing the same problem and aren't able to get out of such misfortune. Today's video shall be dedicated to people in need like you. We shall compare and contrast some of the best installment loans for bad credit in today's video. You shall be able to obtain the necessary financial assistance through this compilation. These loans are intended for people who could have been rejected by conventional lenders. The lenders here do not care if your loan was rejected beforehand for any whatsoever reason. Stay here and watch as we put out the 5 best installment loans for bad credit as your options and provide you with the tools you need to take charge of your financial destiny. 1. Money Lender Squad. Money Lender Squad is our top choice for being the most excellent choice for people who have poor credit. They are experts at putting borrowers in touch with lenders who recognize that things happen in life and that credit reports don't always accurately represent a borrower's capacity to repay debt. You can request a loan and borrow anything from $1,000 to $50,000 with Money Lender Squad. Their application process is very easy to catch. All you have to do is complete a little online form to get your decision right away. They do provide adjustable repayment options that can range from almost 3 to 5 years. You can thus manage your payments without becoming overburdened. The finest aspect: applying here won't lower your score as they don't run hard credit checks. 2. Viver Payday Loans. Payday Loans Viver is the next item of best availabilities on our list. This is the place to go if you want tiny payday loans without having to deal with the inconvenience of a credit check. They make it available to everyone by catering especially to individuals who are first-time borrowers and those who have no credit history. Loans between $100 and $5,000 are available here with proper flexibility and open to negotiation features. The situation here is ideal for addressing unforeseen costs or emergencies. Most applicants get approved in a matter of minutes because to the speedy and effective application process. You can settle your debt more easily and without breaking the bank with Viver Payday Loans flexible repayment choices that might last up to 24 months. Joke guys, that was a joke. Don't break banks, choose Viver Payday Loans. 3. Green Dollar Loans. Moving forward with our conversation, we now have Green Dollar Loans as our third best suggestion for best installment loans for bad credit. They can be an excellent option if you require rapid cash with no hassle. The brand is mostly called out for its quick approval procedure, with many applicants receiving money the same day. They offer loans ranging from $100 to $5,000. Green Dollar Loans doesn't demand a credit check since they believe that having poor credit shouldn't prevent you from acquiring the money you need. Green Dollar also provides very flexible payback options. All of the installments thus can be designed to be paid back in a selected plan that best suits your budget. Green Dollar Loans is a trustworthy choice because of its dedication to providing excellent customer care and its simple application procedure. 4. Low Credit Finance. Low Credit Finance is quite what their name says, thus it was mandatory to include them in the list of best installment loans with bad credit. They should be your first choice if the concerned money is in a larger range. Their area of expertise is offering installment loans made especially for borrowers with bad credit. You can use the money you borrow for a variety of purposes. They don't question it. It can be paying for home repairs, medical expenses, or any sort of misfortune. You can here borrow between $1,000 and $35,000. The process of application here is quite simple with just completing the online form and getting a decision in a matter of minutes. Low Credit Finance can also help you make your repayments manageable over time with their super low and reasonable interest rates beginning at roughly 9.95%. You'll know exactly what to expect throughout the borrowing process because of their emphasis on transparency. 5. Jungle Finance. Here comes our final suggestion for an overall aspect of installment loans. Jungle Finance is here to save your day with bad credit loans delivered within minutes of request. The lenders take pride in assisting borrowers with poor credit in swiftly and effectively obtaining the money they require. Borrowers can get loans from $500 to $10,000 with customizable payback arrangements of up to 5 years through Jungle Finance. They have made their application process as simple and effective as possible to include a variety of borrowers, and they are also quite aware of people's financial circumstances differences. They frequently offer approvals in less than an hour. That's the wrap from us. We hope you were able to find what you were looking for through our video. The video discussed 5 of the most excellent ways to obtain installment loans for bad credit in less than an hour. These loans can be quite beneficial in difficult circumstances for you. Remember to draw the line between what you're taking out and what you actually need to be safe. Take a deep breath. If you're currently experiencing extreme financial stress, you have options. Please leave a comment below if you need any help understanding these options or if you have any questions. I will support you at every turn. Like and subscribe to my channel for